So we've got our first video of the TR4A. You can see the suspension detail looking in on our engine compartment. The fuel injection system. Not a lot of clearance for everything, but it all works as a system. Working our way around. Got where the ducts will be for the vents on the fenders. Working our way around to the interior. One of the next steps I'll be working on will be wiring for the next couple weeks. So there's 3 or 4 computers that go in this car for the power steering, for the ignition system, for carburetor, of course, itself, for the fuel injection. So lots of wiring to be run through the car. Got our brand new gas tank. Working our way around to the back. Now the trim's still covered with plastic. That's why you see the black trim on the tops of the fenders. It'll actually be stainless steel. So the gas tank, the way this will work is there'll be a regular fuel pump off of the bottom of the tank that will take low pressure fuel up to the swirl pot with a high pressure pump. And then you can see the stainless steel line that will take our fuel to the front of the car and connect directly to the carburetor. Again, as we work our way around, we'll be putting the exhaust on the car here shortly. See our beautiful stainless steel wire wheels and the Wildwood brake calipers showing through. Looking at our wiring, your fuse box will be up underneath the passenger compartment, underneath the glove compartment. And then of course we got our AC system and all the ductwork that's been run. Continuing to work our way around. The vent boxes and the fenders. And then that whole suspension detail. All looks beautiful. AC pump will be up high. It is very close to the fender, but it should clear just fine. The fuel injection computer and the ignition system will be up on the console. You can see where the AC and heat come through the firewall. Battery box. The fuel injection system itself. And then going back to the front of the car again. So after this week, we'll be wiring the car and then continuing to put systems in it. So exciting project so far, really moving forward now. See a lot done in the next couple weeks.